Hooray! It's International Waffle Day! It's virtually impossible to completely understand the significance of the waffle unless a person's tried one themselves. Waffles are certainly memorable, especially if they are made to perfection. Crispy on the outside with a soft, doughy center. Covered in powdered sugar, sweet syrup, or jam. It's actually the divots that make the whole thing absolutely melt in the mouth. This day offers a fun, interesting history that spans cultures and geography, so it's time to get started celebrating Waffle Day! While this international holiday developed gradually over time, no one knows exactly what year it began. Waffles have been around in Sweden since at least the 1600s, so it stands to reason that Waffle Day is not a modern occurrence. Now, Waffle Day is celebrated not only in Sweden, but Norway and Denmark, as well as other European countries. The day in March historically marks the beginning of spring, and people of other nationalities have begun to adopt this day as well. The alternative Waffle Day, celebrated on August 24th, began in the United States and honors the anniversary of the patenting of the first U.S. waffle iron in 1869. The waffle iron was invented by Cornelius Swarthout of Troy, New York. So, as it turns out, waffles are such a popular worldwide phenomenon that they merit 2 days in the calendar to celebrate them. But it's likely that no one is going to complain about that. And here's my favorite waffle recipe. Ooh, I can't wait. First, add 2 cups of flour to a bowl. Then, add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Then, add 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Next, add just under 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir those dry ingredients to combine well. Now, pour in 2 cups of milk. Whole milk works best, but anything you got'll do. Next, add 2 whole eggs. And add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Mix that batter until almost smooth. A few lumps are okay. Okay, spray the waffle iron lightly before each waffle with some cooking spray. Alright, you're ready. Add just enough batter to fill the bottom of the waffle iron. Alright, let it cook between 4 to 6 minutes or until golden brown. It's okay to peek. Wow, I'm sure getting hungry. I can't wait. I have the butter, syrup, and strawberries all ready to go. Did you know waffles are also a great dessert idea? Or you can just break them up and use them in fondue. Oh, and don't forget the waffle cone. Oh no. Happy International Waffle Day, everyone!
Thank you for listening today. My name is Kevin. Welcome to my channel, Everything Kevin. If you like this video, please press like below. If you'd like to see more, please press subscribe. Take it easy, man.